Hey there! Welcome back to Crypto Clarity for Kids. We know cryptocurrency is digital money, but how is it different from the money in your piggy bank? Let's find out in the simplest way possible. Okay, imagine you have two types of money in your hands. One is something you can touch and feel, and the other is something you can only see on a screen. First, let's talk about the type you can touch. This is cash, like coins and paper bills. You can hold it in your hand, count it, and even hear the jingle of coins. You can put it in your pocket, save it in a piggy bank, or use it to buy things at a store. It's physical and tangible. This type of money is called fiat currency. It's a fancy term for the regular money we use every day, like dollars, rupees, or euros. Each country has its own version. Now, let's move on to the second type of money, which is quite different. This is cryptocurrency, like Bitcoin. Unlike cash, it's completely digital and exists only online. You can't touch it or hold it in your hand, but you can send it to someone else over the internet, just like sending a message to a friend. It's fast and can be used globally. Cryptocurrencies are becoming more popular and are used all around the world. They offer a new way to think about money and transactions. Here are the biggest differences between fiat money and cryptocurrency that you should know about. Who controls it? Fiat money is controlled by governments and banks. They decide how much to print and when to print it. This means they have a lot of power over the economy and can influence inflation and interest rates. Crypto, on the other hand, is not controlled by any single entity. It's run by a decentralized network of computers and people all over the world. This means no single person or organization can manipulate its value or supply. How do we use it? Fiat money is accepted everywhere. You can buy snacks, toys, clothes, and even pay for services like a haircut or a bus ride. It's the traditional way of doing transactions. Crypto is used mostly online, but some places accept it in real life too. You can use it to shop online, pay for digital services, and even in some cafes and stores that accept cryptocurrency payments. Is it safe? Fiat money can be stolen if you lose your wallet or if someone takes it from you. Physical money is always at risk of being lost or stolen. Crypto is stored in digital wallets with passwords, so only you can access it. This makes it much harder for someone to steal your money, as long as you keep your passwords and private keys secure. So, the biggest difference is that fiat money is controlled by governments and central banks. They decide how much money to print and how to manage the economy. On the other hand, cryptocurrency is controlled by technology and people around the world. It's decentralized, meaning no single entity has control over it. Pretty cool, right? In our next video, we'll dive deeper into why people use cryptocurrency and how it can benefit you. Stay tuned and see you next time.